folks, as you can tell, we're slowing the boat down. That's so we can make our approach to the shallows of the reef line. Great opportunity to make your way to the viewing room to get ready for the narrated tour. And we do have some motion out here. That's to be expected. We are 6 miles out into the Atlantic. Whenever you're on a boat, no matter what the conditions, you always use handrails, and there's plenty of them on this boat to take advantage of. Once you get to the viewing room itself, you'll notice a step-down carpeted area. We have some beautiful conditions here for you. To add to your enjoyment, you happen to have the very best narrator in the business, and that is Zach. He is extremely knowledgeable about this ecosystem and more than happy to share that knowledge. So if you have any questions at any time throughout the presentation, feel free to get his attention and ask away. Keep in mind it is a narrated tour. If you have comments or questions you want to share with family or friends, that's fine. Just do that at a very low volume so the rest of folks can still enjoy what Zach has to say. Cell phones. Excellent time to turn the noise to silent. Now, if you feel you have to have a cell phone conversation out here, that's fine. Those are required, though, to be taken outside. And speaking of outside, at any time throughout the presentation, you want to get back outside, get some fresh air, you're more than welcome to do that. You're not required to stay in the main cabin the whole time. As for any reason, if you move yourself in or out of the main cabin, please close and latch that door behind you when you're outside. Also keep in mind, this is a national marine sanctuary. Absolutely nothing goes off the side of this boat. Zach, we're all set up. We're great.